Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon, and today on PartnerTalks, I'm talking to Stephanie Gamber from Solver. Stephanie, tell us who you are and tell us all about Solver.
All right. Well, thank you, Rick. So my name is Stephanie Gamber. I work at Solver. I work with people that are interested in learning about our solution, and I show them how our tool works. So basically what we do here at Solver is we are a complete corporate performance management solution. So that means we cover all of your financial and operational reporting, budgeting and forecasting, consolidation, and analysis. So we're one tool that does it all.
Excellent. And which products do you support in the Dynamics world?
So we support a very wide sort of swath of products here. All of the ERPs, so D365 BC, F&O, GP, NAV, SL, CRM. We also have a Power BI connector and a number of pre-built Power BI dashboards. So we are very deeply ingrained.
You sound like a busy group. So
we are.
Today we're going to talk about the North America Summit coming up in Orlando in October, and I hear Solver is a sponsor. So tell us a little bit about your involvement with the community and what's going on at the show.
Yes, so we are super excited about sponsoring, and Solver has been a very long time supporter and sponsor of the user group community. I know I myself have been able to attend and present many times across the different user groups, and as have many of our partners and customers. So I'm sure they are all a lot of very familiar faces there. We have missed out a lot on some of the in-person events. That's something that we've always really, really enjoyed. So here at Summit, that's something that we're really looking forward to, the opportunity to connect with everyone, connect with those familiar faces, and make some new connections as well.
So I take it you're going to have a booth, and what are you going to be showing at your booth?
Yes, so we do have a booth, and we have a very cool booth number even. It's 1007, so 1007. We're very prominently placed. It'll be very hard to miss us. So at our booth, anyone that's interested, of course, we're there to answer any questions you have, but we'll also be showing a bit about our solution, our QuickStart and our Marketplace, which is a very specific solution that we've developed that allows you to get up and running with a complete corporate performance management solution in one day. So on day one, you're going to have tremendous value where you're able to start reporting, planning, and doing analysis versus a typical CPM solution, which can take weeks and months to deploy. So we're really excited to be able to show everyone what that looks like and sort of the value that they can get immediately from Solver. So come find us and we will give you the whole rundown.
So Stephanie, if you can do that in one day, what's your secret sauce?
Very good question. So we have developed a patent pending solution through our QuickStart connector to a number of the Dynamics ERPs. And what it does is we have something behind the scenes that is our sort of mapping and schema that brings in all of those key critical fields that we all need for reporting and for planning. But we've also made it so that it is configurable and customizable. So once you get sort of that baseline up and running and you get those reporting templates, you have some basic planning templates in place, you have the ability to then make some changes to them so they're a little more specific to your business. So yeah, so it's pretty slick. It's pretty neat. I love having the opportunity to show it because our design interface, so when users are modifying our templates, it is based in Excel. So it makes it really easy for users to pick up and to learn how to make any changes that they might need to make.
Okay, excellent. So that should, bring in a lot of interest from both our partner community and our end user community, because that's always a difficult thing when I want to get into a new product or try something new, but is it going to take me 3 months to get there? So if you can get a proof of concept up in a day, that's fantastic.
It's so true. And I think especially now, many organizations are less willing to jump into more risky solutions because things are just changing so rapidly that to be able to see that value right away on the first day of deployment is just a huge game changer.
Okay, great. Is there anything else that's going on with Summit and Solver?
Yes, so we have a couple sessions as well that we would like to invite everyone to attend. So we have 2 sessions on Monday. Monday at 3 p.m., we have one that's called 5 Tips to Elevate Your Budgeting, Forecasting, and Analysis. And then we also have a session at 4:15 on Monday that is unlocking the power of Excel. I mentioned that we have an Excel-based interface, so we always love to share some of the latest cool tips and tricks, and that we've done a similar session before, and it was definitely very popular. And then on Tuesday, we also are doing a brief sort of 15-minute overview to talk a little bit more about Solver in the expo hall. So you will find us all around. So if you do, we'd love to chat.
Okay, great, Stephanie. I appreciate your time today and coming on this Partner Talk show, and I look forward to catching up with you at Summit.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Rick.
Bye for now.